hell happened last night?
You know what happened last night?
Holy
How's it? It is. I feel that.
Okay, stop it. Just stop doing that.
Sometimes you act like a big brother. Are you?
I think it's my turn.
मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना कुछ नहीं सुना कुछ नहीं सुना मैंने 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 कुछ नहीं सुना
Okay, listen. You have to promise me one thing.
No, I can't. Okay, please don't ask me to keep another secret. I can't.
Wait. और कौन से secrets पता है तुझे?
Nothing. तुझे कौन सा पता है?
Listen, Dan. Dan, listen. Okay, just.
No, you listen to me, okay? You guys have no right to come in here and hit me on my face with all your lesbian love and then ask me to keep it a secret. I mean, this is huge. You guys are like making out with each other. What? You guys can do it, but I'm not allowed to think of it.
Dan, listen. Can we trust you?
What about Raghav? Huh? I can't betray Raghav.
Listen. What can't betray Raghav? Just lie to him, yeah?
Why?
Yeah. I don't care. Okay, just make sure that he stays away from her. That's it. Listen, you're my friend too, and I really need your help right now. Yeah.
Okay, but on one condition.
What?
You have to hook me up with your hot friend Srini.
Srini? Oh yeah, dude, she's too sweet. I can't her like her. Okay, how about Karishma? Yeah.
That old bitch. Didn't she just have a son or something?
Yeah, but that was from a previous marriage, and now she has a daughter. Yeah, so
No, just no.
Wait. Okay. How about I hook you up with my friend?
Is she hot?
She's damn hot. And you know her. I'm talking about Disha.
करिश्मा चलेगी.
दरवाजा क्यों बंद कर रहा है?
राघव, मैं तुझे कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. But before that, I want to know something. Do you trust me?
No. Why?
Because I trust you. And I want you to know that no matter what I say or what I do, I love you. I care for you. And I will never let you go through any pain. So tell me now. Do you trust me?
Still no.
Okay. Then I guess I have nothing to say.
Okay.
अरे okay यार. आजा.
No, dude. I don't want to sit next to you, man. You're really starting to scare me, you know that? जो भी बोलना तो वही से बोल. Seriously.
Okay. Are you sure about Mehak?
What? I mean, yeah, of course I'm sure about Mehak. Why do you ask?
Because I'm your friend. And no matter what I say or what I do.
Oh, f it, Dan. She said something. Prachi said something to you.
No.
What did she say?
Nobody said anything to me. I don't know anything.
तो फिर तू पूछा क्यों?
Okay, now you're scaring me. See, I get a feeling that Mehak's not the right girl for you.
But why?
It's just that you have different interests, you know, you and her. And trust me, these interests are so different that no matter how much you try, you will never be able to match.
You know, I don't give a fuck about the interest, man. I mean, look at Sheetal. What happened there? I was with her for 3 years. We had all the same interests. And what happened? She slept with another man.
Yeah, at least you slept with a man.
And I know I've not known Meg for such a long time, but then the way I feel about her.
Oh,
it's
don't
just-
get this whole feeling crap in the way now, please. What if she doesn't feel the same way about you? Huh? What if she feels in a completely like a whole another way? Huh? Then what?
Dude, what do you mean, man?
I mean that you shouldn't get this feeling thing in your way, Raghav. You should take things in your own hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I should take things in my own hands.
Exactly my point.
I mean, I shouldn't let Prachi talk to her.
Not at all. Why?
I should talk to her myself.
No. That's
Yeah.
that's not what I'm saying.
I should go tell her what I feel like right now.
No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't tell her what you feel. No.
But why not?
Because Disha is in love with you.
What?
Yeah, Disha's in love with you. And if she finds out about Mehak and you, it'll break her heart.
Me. This is bad.
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
What? You want me to tell Raghav that I love him? Why?
Because I told him so.
How dare you?
What? What's your problem with it? I mean, you told me that you love him.
But you asked me to stay away from him.
Yeah, I know I did back then, but now I don't want you to.
So, you are saying that you don't have any problem if I'll sleep with him?
No, I never said that, okay? I don't have a problem if you sleep with it.
Well, thanks, but no thanks.
Why?
Because I met this new guy and
What new guy?
wait, I'll show you, okay? At first, even I thought of cancelling the date, but then I did not, and
Really madly?
yeah, and it went awesome, and I had a really good time with him. So
What do you mean you had a really good time with... Actually, you know what? I'm glad you had a good time with him. I'm happy for you, and he looks like a nice guy.
yeah, you like him?
Yeah, I like him. But listen, I still want you to do this.
Are you kidding me?
Not at all.
But why? You said that he loves Mehak,
I
right?
know he does, but he shouldn't.
Why shouldn't he be loving Mehak?
Because...
What? You told Disha that I love you. Why so?
Because that's the only option that made sense in my head. I mean, the only other thing that I could say is that you love Nikesh. But that would just complicate things, right? I mean, Nikesh loves you, and if you love him, then what the hell were you guys talking about last night?
Okay, relax, okay? I'm getting damn confused. Okay, who's in love with whom?
Okay, Raghav loved Sheetal, but then Sheetal banged the waiter. Now Raghav thinks that Disha loves him, but Disha knows that Raghav loves Mehak and that Mehak loves me. And Nikesh thinks that he loves you, but I know that you guys love each other.
No, we don't. Do we? I mean,
Dan?
That's Disha. Prachi.
Dan, you there?
Are you mad? I'm not sitting there.
Do you have a better idea? Come in.
Sorry, guys, I had to tell him.
You mother.
No matter what I say or what I do, you have to remember one thing, that I love you. Dude, listen to me. You have to remember that I'm a good friend, okay?
Are you kidding me? I'm in love with someone else. I saw him at the hotel. It's him. Yep.
सॉरी गाइस, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये बात सबके सामने ऐसे आने वाली थी. ऑल माई लाइफ आई बीन स्केर्ड ऑफ दिस ट्रूथ.
तुझे श्राप देता हूँ साले, अगले जन्म में ना तू चमगादड़ बन के पैदा होगा और मुंह से भागेगा.
से जल्दी पहुंचने का भाग के जाते थे.
Unlimited presents Tan Lines powered by Maruti Swift every Tuesday on SonyLiv.com and YouTube.com/SonyLiv. Download the SonyLiv app.